what's up? It's me, Suzanne. Today I'm gonna make another flight gear video, and yeah, there are gonna be a few more takeoff and landing videos coming up this week since I'm going to my relative's wedding in India in Devgarh, and yeah, I'm gonna be flying Indigo this time, so I'm very excited. I'm getting the Airbus A321 Neo. Um, and I'm gonna be going through Mumbai. So yeah. But getting that out of the way, we're gonna be flying on. Gonna This is gonna be a guide to flight gear. Now we are not gonna be using the Cessna. The Cessna, in my opinion, is a very difficult aircraft to handle. So what we're gonna be using is either I think I would want to use the 757, the Boeing 757, since I have to update my 777 currently. So I can't fly the 777, which is a bummer. So we're going to be flying the 757-300. I'm going to auto start it. I'm going to try taking it off. Let's start. And I'm going to exactly teach you how to do this. And it's actually very simple since you have auto start. And yeah, so we're on the 757. Look at this. It's a Condor livery. I don't want Condor. I'll actually get the standard white livery. Okay, so this is the 757-300 with the Rolls-Royce engine, and it's actually heard to be. I have actually heard. Sorry, I've actually heard this is a very powerful aircraft. So we're going to be flying on this today. We're going to be taking this off. Okay, that is. This view is very broken. I know it just looks very weird. Okay. We're going to be flying this aircraft, and it's so cool. I mean, 757 is just a very interesting aircraft to me. Okay. So what we'll do is I'm gonna auto start it. I don't know how to manually do it, but I'm gonna still auto start it. I'm gonna turn on H to get the help. Gonna turn off brakes today. So what you actually have to do is you auto start the plane by pressing the 757-300 thing, and what we do is to actually take this baby off. What we actually do is we increase thrust by, so this is on the Mac keyboard. You have to um, press the number 9 key. So I'll just press it on my keyboard and increase thrust. And so now the plane is actually taking off. Bro, what is this plane doing in the middle of the... Bro, that plane was so sus. What it was doing so... Ooh, okay. Oh, this is weird. It's not... Okay, now it's actually taking off. That was the most powerful takeoff I've actually ever seen. Ooh, I'm gonna... Oh, oh no. It's either... Oh God. That... What's going on? I crashed the plane. But that was such a powerful takeoff. This video should actually be titled Trying to Take Off a Boeing 757. I'm gonna have to do this again. I'm gonna have to take off this plane again. And this time I actually want to use the Pratt and Whitney one. I think that one worked very nicely. By far the most easiest plane to take off is the A320. Let me just come back. Okay, so we're on runway 27 as usual. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do our usual thing. Go to the 757 dash. Oh wait, what? Go to the 757 area. Auto start the plane. Gonna no, increase my FOV. This is a very good simulator, in my opinion. Let's just take one glance at this. Oh, the 757-200 looks so beautiful. It's tiny but beautiful. The 767 is also good. They should also have that up, but that's fine. No one cares really. I don't care. Even though 757 is actually more powerful than the Airbus A340. So this aircraft is more worth it. Alright, let's do our thing. Press H to get. That was so powerful. Oh my god. This is so powerful. Gonna slowly. I want this to be so successful. Okay, we are in the sky. Gear up. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, I forgot to turn on flap. Oh, this is so cool. You take one glance aside over the beautiful city of Mumbai in a Boeing 757. This is so cool. This is the most powerful takeoff I've ever experienced. Actually, I never flew on this aircraft, but this was so powerful. Ah, it's so high in the sky. You guys should try this aircraft. It's so easy to start up and just fly high in the sky, and it's just so good. Okay, look at this beautiful view of the 757 in Mumbai. Um, it's mesmerizing. Wow. I think the Pratt and Whitney one works much better. I think I've made a few flaws in flying the 300, but this is working so easily because I'm gonna fly for a few minutes on this such a mesmerizing view of Mumbai. I mean, bro, I do love Mumbai. It's such a good city. It's a very good city to live in, as per my mother. She says it's a very good city to live at. I mean, she had more affinity Mumbai more than Delhi since she studied over there. My parents did get married in Mumbai. Okay, I'm just gonna keep the plane, maintain the plane. Yeah, so you wanna turn my plane around. You guys should start flying with this aircraft on flight gear since it's much better. You get to auto start it and it's easier to take off since it's an aircraft that's more controllable other than the Cessna 172P. Because I've tried it and it's difficult to fly, while the A320 is very easy to take off. Now about landing, I'm not able to start in the landing position, and I do need to learn how to use MCDU so I can have my first full flight. But this is fun. So guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope you subscribed, and I'll make more videos on flight gear. So peace.